All right, so I'm just gonna go on a fucking rant here. There isn't any way I'm gonna start this job today and fucking get it done. There's no fucking way. So this right here appears to be 4-inch cast iron. This is a house in Roseville on Grove Street. Some Hispanic contractor said this is 100 years old. Looks just about right. So first things first, that's leaking. So this is like a back to back, it appears. I'm just assuming. I haven't even been up there, but that's first things first. Boom, right there. Okay. Leaking. Probably backed up. Okay. Yeah, I'm imagining that one single line going in. It's going to be a toilet. This shit needs a fucking repipe for sure. Just remember, I'm just going on a rant. Okay? Things that are leaking. Stuff like that. Right there. That's a trap. Which appears to be 1.5 inches. So that could be a vanity or a shower. Right there. Oh, that's another one right there. So I'm not really sure why it's like all over there. Why they bring it out here? Right there. Kind of dumb. Okay. So all that shit's leaking. It's been leaking. You can tell it's puddling up down here. That's a quick plug. Some people call them jiffy caps, but whatever. I'm just ranting and raving. All right. I wonder if I can get this fucking thing off. Oh, that's on there good. I can't even fucking use my flash on my battery anymore. God fucking damn it. So that's a leak over there. And this would be a good access point for the main sewer line. It just pops down over there. See, we got fucking, imagine a hose bib stretching all the way out to the front yard. That's going to be gas. Okay. Black iron. Okay. The fuck is that at? Some more water lines. Those are isolation valves. Okay. Let's check those out. That's going to be hot water right here. That's cold water. Yeah, it's all fucked up. Seen worse, though. Not gonna lie. And that's the cold lines. Let's see. It's gonna span all the way out over there. Make a secondary line. Okay. This is probably, yeah, laundry. Hot and cold. Actually, that's probably water heater. No. What is that? This bib. Oh, yeah, that's cold, hot, cold. Okay. No leaks over there, though. Fuck, dude. This thing needs a repipe. Oh. So it looks like that. Goes straight. Oh, bam. Goes into Y with the clean out. Another Y. Goes from 4-inch to 2-inch. Picking up on that fucking secondary line, which is another Y over there. Vanity, shower, all that shit. So. Yeah, that's obvious the issues right here. That's their main issue. One of them. Right there. They threaded that shit on. Okay. Tub seal. Fucking obviously. Wonder if that's hot cooled. Shower valve fucked up. Let's see. That fucking flex hose. I see shit dripping. Those pipes. This is coming down. Either way, it's an overflow tub. Okay. Oh fuck that. Alright.